Are you tired of people adding you to random Instagram groups? Well, I'm going to show you how you can tweak some settings so that random people can't add you to their groups. It's really easy to do so, and what we want to do is to open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device and then go over to your Instagram profile. When you get to your profile, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner and then open the Settings and Privacy option. Once you're here, you want to scroll a little bit down and find an option that's called Messages and Story Replies. Then under the How People Can Reach You, tap on the message controls. We'll have a bunch of different settings related to our Instagram messages, but we want to tap on the Who Can Add You to Groups. You will see 2 different options in here where you can select who can add you to groups. We have the Everyone on Instagram, and that means that every account on Instagram can add you to their groups. But let's set this to only people you follow on Instagram. This is going to limit the people who can add you, and only the people you follow will be able to add you to their groups. Other accounts on Instagram will not be able to add you from now on, and you will keep yourself out of those spammy groups this way. There isn't an option that we can select and disable everyone from adding us because Instagram doesn't give us that option, but you can limit who can add you this way. If you were able to stop those spammy accounts from adding you to their group, then leave a like on this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.